Hi everyone, this is Jack from Maths Forge. In today's lesson, we're going to be doing powers. So let's take a look at our first example. We're being asked to find the square of 7. Now, to find the square of 7, the question is essentially asking you to do this calculation, 7 squared. And 7 squared means 7 multiplied by itself twice. That's what this 2 here represents. You are multiplying 7 by itself twice. And of course, we should know by now that 7 times 7 is 49. And if we check our answer, there it is. Let's do a 2-star example. Here we're being asked to find the cube of 3. Similarly to the 1-star example, this question is essentially asking us to find 3 cubed, or in other words, 3 to the power of 3. Now, this means 3 multiplied by itself 3 times. The power, this little 3 at the top here, symbolizes that you're multiplying 3 onto itself 3 times, and the base number is the number that you are multiplying together. So now if we do 3 times 3, that's 9, times another 3, that is 27, and this should be our final answer. There it is. We will do another 2-star example. So here we're being asked to find 5 cubed, so it's 5 to the power of 3, 5 cubed, and the base number here, 5, this is what we call it the base number, is the number that you'll be multiplying onto itself. And the power, this number here, the little number, is how many times you are multiplying it onto itself. So it's 5 times 5 times 5, which should give us 125. And if we check our answer, there it is. Now let's do a 3-star example. Here we're being asked to find 4 to the power of 5. So the base number is 4, and we are going to be multiplying it onto itself 5 times. And if you do this calculation, this should give us 1024. And if we check our answer, there it is. We'll do another 3-star example. This time we're being asked to find -4 in brackets to the power of 2. So it's very important that you understand the brackets symbolize that you are going to be multiplying the entire -4 to itself twice, so the negative symbol included. So this calculation is going to look like this. -4 multiplied by itself, -4, twice. And you should know from negative numbers that if you multiply 2 numbers that have the same operation, so they're both negative, this will give us a positive answer. So 4 times 4 is 16, and the answer stays positive because both values are negative. Now, this is our final answer, and we'll just check it really quickly. There it is. However, this question is very different to this question, -4 squared without the brackets. Without the brackets, we have to follow BIDMAS. So this means that we have to apply the power to the 4 first before we apply the negative operation. So 4 squared is 16. 4 times 4 is 16. But because there are no brackets, the negative symbol comes afterwards. And so the answer to -4 squared without brackets is -16, but the answer to -4 squared with brackets is +16. So just one more time, this calculation here, you do 4 times 4 first, and then you apply the negative symbol. And that's it for powers.